Conduction. Thermal conduction is the transfer of heat energy through a material without movement of the material itself. Metals are good thermal conductors. Wood, plastic and ceramic materials are poor thermal conductors. They are known as insulators. Metals. Metals are good thermal conductors. The ions of a metal vibrate continuously about fixed positions. The ions are held together by a cloud of free electrons that move rapidly throughout the metal. If one end of the metal bar is heated, free electrons gain heat energy and move swiftly into cooler regions of the metal. Here they collide with metal ions and transfer some of their energy. The ions vibrate more vigorously. Heat transfer by conduction is rapid. Insulators. Wood, plastics, air and ceramic materials are poor thermal conductors. These structures contain no free electrons or ions. Molecules next to the heat source absorb energy and vibrate more vigorously. These molecules collide with adjacent molecules and pass on some of their energy. In this way, heat energy is transferred slowly through the material.